Good morning from Grand Family Farm. Today's Sunday. It's almost 11 a.m. and it's 12 degrees out. It's cold. It sure is pretty though. It's nice to see the sunshine and the blue sky. 65 more days until spring, and I can't wait. Me and the doodle going down the golf cart. She's watching the other dog down there. Got some food for the pigs. We'll ride on up here. Ooh, there's the babies. I'll break that ice again. Yeah, some more water. Yeah, I got some snacks. I don't know if you eat the bagel or not. Hang on, Harold. I got some good treats for you. If you like bagels. Well, let's see if he likes the bagels. See if Harold likes the bagel or not. Bagel? Yep. And then water's froze again. Bagels. Oh, I'm gonna take both of them. Oh, there she goes. Mmm. More bagel. Oh, there. Hello, guy. He's got one. Took it from his mom, I think. There's another one. Yeah, the piglets like bagels. All the pigs like the bagels. At least the ones in the barn. Okay, the last of the bagels here. So that's, those pigs liked it. Go ahead and throw a few more in here. They really like those. Alright. Now it's time for alfalfa and grain. Well, the chickens are fed. They're happy. I only got 2 eggs, and you can see both of them are cracked because they're froze. So I'm going to give these to the pigs. Harold likes eggs. He says, I like my grain better. Ooh, he's going to eat the egg first. Oh, no. Nope, we eat the grain first. Well, good thing about these dishes here in the side, the barn, this duck's awful loud. Hey, duck, that's enough. Good thing about these dishes here, the rubber, and where you can just take the dish out and flop it over and the ice will fall out. I have a little more problem with the one on the outside and plus the ducks. I don't know if she's going to see that egg or not. That baby likes the grain. Baby's not big enough to break the egg anyway. Everybody's been fed. We had the treats, the grain, and our alfalfa. So we got to get some water down here. Odo will be back here pretty quick, and I'll help him dump these out and add more water because this is froze solid. So now we're breaking ice here, just dumping it. All right. Woo! It is cold out here. And here we got the goats sleeping in the box again. Good little goats. They're nice and warm in here. Now to warm up next to the fire. Whew. It's only like 12 degrees out there. We're at Coastal getting a dog kennel for our goats. Okay, we got our big kennel. Well, we're back at a home. You see, Brandy's got a good idea. Just lay here in front of the fire. Well, it's 5 p.m. and it's still 12 degrees out. The sun's going down. It's been a pretty nice day overall. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.